this video, I'm going to show you how we can draw this isometric exercise in isometric AutoCAD. So before starting the drawing, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. So let's start the drawing. First, we have to convert our 2D screen to isometric. So you can click here. We have a isometric drafting. You can turn on. Now it's automatically convert 2D to isometric. So this grid we don't need. Just turn off this grid. Now first you have to set the units. UN, enter. Here we have one dialog box. We have to set the architecture dimension. If you are working with the centimeter and mm, then select your decimal. If you are working with the feet inches, then you have to select the architecture. So I'm using a centimeter, so I just use the decimal. Click here 0.0, and here I'm using a centimeter. You can use according to your drawing. Here I'm using a centimeter and then click OK. And next we have to set the dimensions setting because we need the dimensions. So normally type D, enter. Here you have to click on modify and then click on primary units. Set your according to your unit setting, which we did. Decimal use किया था decimal, architecture किया था architecture. Here I'm using a decimal. Click on text and then you have to set the text height. Here I'm using a 2. Click on lines. Lines you can extend and use it. Here I'm using a 1 and then 0.5. Click OK. Again, now close it. Now start with the line command. You can use from a screen. Click here. Otherwise shortcut key is L. Enter. Click here. You can see here I'm getting this green line. Okay, it's like a key reference line. But if you are not getting, then you can turn on your polar and then click this arrow. Here you have to select 30, 60, 90. Because whenever we are working in isometric, then we have to use 30 and then 150 degree. Okay, that's why we have to use this one, polar. If you are using extra angles, you can see here it's additional 28. Select and delete if you have, कि कुछ भी confusion ना हो. Now next you have to take a line L, enter, click on a screen, go to the 150 degree and then type 12. I'm just going to start with this 12. Okay, this one. So I'm taking a 12. Normally type 12 and then enter. Next we have to take a height. You can see here we are not getting directly height, but you can see here it's 11, 12 and then again 11. So we have to normally calculate कि कहाँ से हम height ले सकते हैं. So we can get from here it's total like a 34. ठीक है. Again take a line L, enter, click here and then 34. ठीक है. It's done. Again take a line L, enter and then 12 because same आएगा ना ऊपर से नीचे तक. ठीक है. Again we have to take a line with this one. This portion हमें चाहिए, but you can see here we are not getting this one कि ये कितना है, but इसमें center दे रखा है it's a 26. Then how we can calculate? You can see here we have a 12, 16 and 12. We have to add. ठीक है, it's a 40 and then take a center line 13, 13 लेके then we get this 26. Let me show you. Again take a line. First we have to draw this line on 40 जो अभी हमने calculate किया. ठीक है, 40, enter. Now mark the center line. ठीक है, just mark the center line. You can see here we have again this line. तो ये एक reference line ले लेते हैं अभी. ठीक है, after that we can change it with the 30. Mark the center line. You can see here it's a midpoint. Mark it. Select CO, enter. Click here and drag your mouse on 30 degree. 13. ठीक है, same you have to click and then drag your mouse again 30. We don't need this center line. Erase it. Now you can check. Go to the dimension and then click here. First point, second point, drag your mouse. You can see here 26. यहाँ कितना था? 26. We are getting. ठीक है. So next we have to draw this line 18. Select your line L, enter. कितना चाहिए? हमें चाहिए 18. अगर लाइन है, select this line, CO, enter, 1 point and drag your mouse, 18. This one, it's done. So we don't need this line. ठीक है, सेंटर में तो नहीं चाहिए हमें, सिर्फ एंड टू एंड चाहिए. TR, डबल एंटर, ट्रिम, ट्रिम. ठीक है, अगेन टेक लाइन, L एंटर, नीचे चाहिए कितनी चाहिए 34, जो ये थी 34, एंटर. अगेन टेक लाइन, pick a point 34, enter, and then join this line. Again take a line normally and then take a trim command, TR, double enter, and then erase it. This part is done. Okay. Now we need 26 here to here. Take a line, let me remove it. Take a line, L enter, कितना चाहिए हमें 26, enter. Now you can see here on this 26, जहाँ पे भी 26 है, हमें चाहिए वहाँ पे 12 diameter का circle. So what we have to do, take a line, L enter, click here, कितना चाहिए 34, because we need, ठीक है 24, इसको हम join करते हैं like this. On this line we need, sorry 34, not the 24, 34, same with this line. ठीक है, same. और यहाँ पे कितना चाहिए डायमीटर हमें 12. So we have to use ellipse command. Reason, अगर normal circle बनाने के लिए circle use करेंगे, let me show you. C enter and then you can see here. Circle अपना सही नहीं आएगा. So whenever you are working in isometric, you have to use the ellipse. EL, shortcut key is EL, enter. Now you can see here we have option arc, center, and then isocircle. So you have to click on isocircle. Now we have to mention the center point. It's a center point. Drag your mouse and then you can see here radius या फिर diameter. We have to use the diameter. कितना है 12. Click here and then type 12, again enter. You can see. ठीक है. Again we need one circle. So what we have to do, again take a ellipse command. EL, enter, click on isocircle, center point, drag your mouse and then click here. So we have to trim this line. You can see here half circle है. TR, select this line and then this line, again enter and then select this circle, half circle. This part is done, you can see here, and this one. ठीक है. Now we have to draw this and this one. So what we have to do, normally copy this line. Let me show you. Select your half circle, again select your line, CO, enter, click here and drag your mouse. कितना चाहिए हमें, you can see here 12. Drag your mouse, be sure कि 30 degree पे होना चाहिए and then type 12 and then enter. Line आ गई. Now erase it, TR, select this line, again enter and then trim this one. Now take a line, हमें इसको ज्वाइन करना है. ठीक है. L enter, click here and then click here. Now we have to trim this line. TR, enter, select this line, again enter and then select this line. This part is done, you can see here. Now we have to draw last one, this one. So what we have to do, normally just copy. You don't need to draw again and again. ठीक है. Let me show you how you can copy. Select all, means first part जो हम draw कर रहे हैं, and then CO, enter, select this one, CO, enter, pick this point and then place here, जो अभी हमने draw किया था ना, and then place here. We have to erase some lines, but before that we have to draw this line. You can see here, यहाँ पे एक line है, this one. L, enter, first point and then second point. We have to erase this part. TR, one time enter, click this line and this line, again enter. Now you have to trim. जो भी line trim करनी है उसको select करना है. Select, and then this circle we don't need. Now you can see this part is done. Let me show you. इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं and then you can see clearly. Now you can see this part is done. ठीक है, अब हमें बनाना है this one. So what we have to do, first we have to draw this line on 30 centimeter. Select CO, enter and then drag your mouse. कितना चाहिए हमें? 30, enter. यहाँ पे आ गया. Trim this line, TR, select this line and then enter, select this one. 30 आ गया. Here we have to draw on this face, जितना भी ये है. Let me show you कितना है. It's 40. हमने वहाँ ड्रॉ किया था. हमें चाहिए 16 का डायमीटर. Again take a line, I'll enter and then click here. Now use ellipse command, EL, enter, click on iso circle, midpoint and drag your mouse. But you can see here our iso plane is not clear because we need on top. यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए, हमें टॉप पे चाहिए. What we have to do, normally press F5 key, F5. Now you can see it's automatically changed. ठीक है, कितना चाहिए हमें? Again take enter, again enter and then here you have to click on diameter on 16 चाहिए ना, 16 diameter. Type 16 and then enter. You can see we are getting this one. Again take a ellipse command, enter, select iso circle, midpoint, drag your mouse and then click on end point. We don't need this half circle. TR, enter, first point, again enter. जो चीज़ हमें नहीं चाहिए select. Now you can see this part is done. So we have to copy again. इसको नीचे नीचे जैसे करना है. So first we have to use this line and then this line. CO, enter. कितना कॉपी करना है? 11. You can see here 11 है ना. Drag your mouse, type 11 and then enter. Done. So here we have to draw one line here to here and then TR, enter, select this line, again enter and then delete. जो भी extra part है, we don't need that. Again we have to select this portion and this one also. Again CO, enter. कहाँ से आएगा? Here to here. ठीक है, here we have to draw one line again, otherwise we can copy. Okay, कोई नहीं, draw किया. Again take a line and then select. We have to trim this extra line. Now we have to erase this part क्योंकि वो इसके नीचे हमें नहीं दिखेगा. TR, enter, select this half circle, again enter and then select your extra part. Now you can see. Now you can see it's done. ठीक है, अभी हमें क्या करना है? We have to show this center line. ठीक है, click on here. You can see here we don't have this one, otherwise you can click on other, otherwise type line, type enter, click on this load and then select your center line जो भी आप यूज करना चाहते हो. For example here this one I'm using. Click OK, again OK. We have to convert this line. It's solid ना, तो इसको मैं कहाँ यूज करूँगी? यहाँ पे सेंटर लाइन पे. अगर इसका स्केल चेंज करना है, select, enter, PR and here we have a type line type scale 1 है. मैं 3 करती हूँ. Let me show you again. Select, again go to the journal and here we have a scale 3, enter. Now close it. Same center line यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे यूज करनी है. We don't need again and again. Use a match command. MA, enter, select this line and then select other line जो भी हमें मैच करनी है. Here also. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे एक मिड पॉइंट पे मिड लाइन चाहिए हमें. You have to take a line मिड पॉइंट पे, अदरवाइज यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. ठीक है, यहाँ से हम इसको इरेज कर देंगे. TR, एंटर, सिलेक्ट एंड देन अगेन एंटर. मीन्स जैसे भी आप कंफर्टेबल हो, यू कैन डू इट. This line we have to show here. Select CO, again enter. Let me take this point to here. जहाँ भी आपको शो करना है, then you can do it. Again TR enter. Select this circle and then erase it, क्योंकि उसमें हाफ ही चाहिए. Again select this line. CO enter. कहाँ से? Mid से, and then place here. Okay, now it's fine. Now we have to show these dimensions. What we have to do, first go to the dimension, click here. You have to use this one. Otherwise shortcut key is DIMALI. Enter first point, second point, and then drag your mouse. But you can see here ये सही नहीं आ रही है, and then here 18.000 something. So what we have to do, use a D dimension setting, D enter, go to the modify, and here go to the primary units. You can see here we have a 0.00. जो भी आप यूज करोगे, for example here I am using a 0. Click OK, close it. Now you can see, and we have to set कि proper इस पे है. What we have to do, again use a one command, DIMEDIT, dim edit, enter. ठीक है. Here we have a option, home, new, rotate या फिर oblique. You have to click on oblique and then select your dimension, again enter. Now you have to mention the degree, ये angle. Click here to here, जहाँ भी आपको चाहिए. ठीक है. What I did, let me show you, and then erase this line also. Yes, ये extra line है, we have to erase it. TR enter, first click, second click, and then trim. Yeah, और सब perfectly. No, there is one mistake. You can see here, ये लाइन यहाँ नहीं, ये लाइन इसके 12 पे है. I did mistake, sorry. Move it. M enter. Normally कितना, जितना हमें चाहिए 12. Let's take a midpoint and then 12. Okay. Now we can trim these lines. Yes, now it's perfectly fine. I did mistake, sorry. Now again, take a dimension, click here, first point, second point, and then drag your mouse and then click here. You have to set DIMEDIT, enter, oblique, select your dimension, again enter, first point and then second point. You can see here, यहाँ पे जो dimension की line है वो dotted आ रही है. ठीक है. We have to match it. MA enter, select your first dimension which is correct. ठीक है. जो भी आप लेना चाहते हो, and then select your second dimension, then you can get it. लाइन के साथ लाइन को आपको मैच करना पड़ेगा. Now we have to use this one. Again take a dimension, first point, and then here I'm using a 11. Okay, click here. You can use this one, and on 90 degree take it and 11. How you can edit, same, DIMEDIT, enter, oblique, select your dimension. अब जिस भी एंगल पे आप लेना चाहते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल here I'm using here to here. Now you can see. ठीक है. Again take a dimension, first point, again second point, drag your mouse and then click here. Same you have to do, you can match it. ठीक है, जैसे भी हम कर रहे हैं, and then same you have to do. Again dim, edit, enter, oblique. First you have to select your dimension, again enter, and then select your angle. So let me give a, I'm just going to complete this drawing. Take a break. Now you can see all done. ठीक है. Now question is कि आपको ये कैसे ऐड करना है. जैसे ये diameter है या फिर यहाँ पे मैंने radius दिया. You have to click on this leader. ठीक है. You can see here. Here we have to mention the diameter 12. Click on this circle and then drag your mouse. क्लिक, नाउ यू गेट दिस विंडो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम सेट करेंगे अपना डायमेंशन का हाइट. 2 एंटर किया मैंने, मेरे ड्राइंग के अकॉर्डिंग 2 इज अ फाइन. सो हेयर यू हैव टू फर्स्ट साइन अ डायमीटर. यहाँ पे देखेंगे हेयर इज अ सिंबल. ठीक है, क्लिक ऑन दिस डायमीटर. कितना चाहिए? 12 एंड देन क्लिक ऑन स्क्रीन. ठीक है, अगर आप थोड़ा और बड़ा करना चाहते हैं, जैसे मैंने इसको ड्रैग किया, सेलेक्ट योर लीडर एंड देन ड्रैग योर माउस. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज दिस एरो साइज, select PR, enter. Here you have a leader and then you can change this one, arrowhead. ठीक है, कितना कर दोगे? 2 कर दो, that's fine. ठीक है, and next same you have to, if you can then you can copy this one here to here. It's automatically change. ठीक है, again हमें जो रेडियस सेट करना है, सेम क्लिक हियर, क्लिक ऑन दिस वन, ड्रैग योर माउस जैसे भी आप करना चाहते हो. ठीक है, and click here. Here you have to set the text height, enter. R कितना है? 17. click on screen. ठीक है, even you can match it. अब बार बार लीडर का हाइट तो हम नहीं चेंज करेंगे, नॉर्मली क्लिक here. ठीक है, hope so you like this video. If you have any doubt then you can write in the chat box. Thank you.